Hey, I've got a tutorial for this self-working trick, so here we go. All right, so there is a setup, however, and you can see all the cards are alternating all the way through. Red, black, red, black, red, black, all the way to the ends, and then it's red, black, even at the ends, okay? So alternating red, black all the way through. That's the key to the trick, okay? Then when you start it, basically I'm gonna reverse 26 of the cards, okay? So I go like this, 1, 2, and I don't count out loud, but you could if you want, but really it's just kind of a mystery, but it's 26. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 26. Okay. So now what I've done is I've switched the orders. So now it starts black instead of on this side, it starts red. So they're just the opposite, okay? Red, black, black, red. So we just switched. So they're just in opposite order now, okay? So now this is the part I don't quite get, because when you put them like this and you do the Rosetta Shuffle, it'll still work out. It seems like it would get mixed up, but it doesn't, okay? So then you push them together. And this is, again, just push them together. I hope it works again. Come on. All right, let's get you all in there. All right, then you square it up. Takes a moment. Okay. Then I do a little bit of magic. And then I make 2 piles of 7. I don't say that out loud. I just make 2 piles, but it is 7. 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. Okay? Now, this worked. These piles should be just the opposites. Okay? And it worked again. Black, red, black, red, black, red, black, red, black, red. So they're just the opposites, okay? So now what I do is whatever pile you pick, I just know that if I see this as, well, let me show you how it works. Let's say you pick this pile, okay? So these cards go on the bottom. And then when I spread the deck out, all I'm doing is counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's my starting point. So I look at this black king and I know immediately the next card is going to be the opposite, a red king, okay? So let's just take these off and get rid of these random cards. So that's the key right here, this whole setup. But once it's in the whole lineup, it's hard to detect. Nobody's going to ever figure it out, okay? But this is really what it comes down to. You just look at the last 7 cards on the bottom. Okay, so these are like this. Turn them over. And then, of course, you go, all right. So let's turn the top card over. The top card is red. It's just the opposite. And it's a king, which is kind of funny. The second card is, let me think. Black. See, and you can, come up with any kind of mind-reading thing you want to, oh, this is so tough. Gosh, the next one is really hard. Whatever you want to come up with, it is red. Next card, red, so it has to be, this card is black. Okay, then the 6 is black, so we know red. The 5 is black, so we know it's the opposite. It's red. And finally, the last card is black. Again, you don't show this too much. And again, when it's all being done, again, one more time, you see the whole spread out, and all you're doing is looking at these cards right here. So I hope you liked the tutorial. Go back and watch the trick. Hopefully I explained it clearly enough. Thank you for your support, and have a great day.